Previously on The Bartender.
Not even an egg you can fry?
Winston, I've always had breakfast made for me.
I'm going to teach you the basics, so you can at least help yourself.
Can't we just get a helper?
She wanted some more, got me love it and you bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. So I tell you, you make me just find my chorus string. You see it? Anything you do for me just always work.
I'm a sister, I know. I did expect.
Me expect you to keep your mouth shut. Bubbles don't tell you a thing already.
But you know, say no.
Oh, you're so sure about that. Remember, say your sister don't like none of we, you know.
I call everybody together to make them know some resign. But separate and apart from that, me hope none of you know not say nothing to nobody.
So everybody look at me, so. You don't know, say me have to keep my mouth shut. Remember, say me pull the trigger, you know.
I hope so.
And in order for you to get back to practicing, Dr. Brad, you need to understand that I'll have to write a report. And this report must say you have your anger under control. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. Kyle! Yeah, Andy. The van already all know? Yeah, slow me up in a man. Alright. Damian! Let me a buskina, please. I know the van already. We can't bother, you know.
I wish I have a. I'm bringing.
Why you want to carry me?
Sometimes I just bring a Koreala.
Come. Why am I tell you?
Hello, doctors. What's on the table this afternoon?
Maxine Grant, you know, she charged with malpractice. She defended herself well and won. However, it seems she is blacklisted because of a temper tantrum she threw at the hearing.
She has been seeing our psychiatrist, Dr. McCarthy, for the last 6 months to deal with the anger.
And it's interview to see if she's ready for practice again. Okay, Dr. Clark, you're quiet.
I'm familiar with this doctor. She's one of the unorthodox doctors, and she's constantly defying protocols. This case is close to me because I've dealt with a patient that died.
Her track record as a doctor is impeccable.
Not anymore.
I've heard stories of her recommending natural herbs instead of pharmaceutical drugs to her patients, and this has made her colleagues upset.
I'm telling you, the woman is a hothead. She's a Dr. Frankenstein.
Well, this isn't a court hearing. She's been tried already and she has won. If she can prove to be of sound mind, we have to get the blacklist removed and put her back on her job. We need doctors like her. Okay? In fact, I have to go now. Dr. Clark, you take over and have this thing dealt with properly and fairly. Okay?
Good afternoon, Dr. Grant.
Good afternoon. Thank you for seeing me. No thanks needed. This is required to see if you're ready to practice. The report from Dr. McCarthy looks quite good. This is Dr. Campbell. I am Dr. Hyman, and this is Dr. Clark.
Hello, Miss Grant.
It's Dr. Grant. It's Dr. Grant.
You administered an injection that had severe side effect on the patient because there was aspirin in her system and it caused her life.
She was your patient. And when we obtained her medical records, there was no proof to say that aspirin was in it. And that fact was neglected at the hearing.
You said at the hearing it was a 14-hour shift. Obviously, you overlooked the details.
Dr. Clark, this is not a hearing, and it should not be treated like one.
What is it, Stephanie? Is it because I've always been ahead of you in medicine? Or I've always been ahead of the class? Or maybe the fact that Patrick liked me instead of you?
Dr. Grant, that is out of line.
You are a delusional woman, Maxine. You have always been. Maybe you should talk about the fact that nobody wanted you, even when you forced yourself at them, and all rejection made you mad.
Dr. Clark?
Care for any of you. I didn't need a relationship with you or with your friends. I was head of my class. I was the best in medicine. You know what? I am the best doctor on this island. All of you are beneath me.
Thank you for this display of anger management. You have just proved you no longer belong in this profession.
Yes, this Wednesday at 6 o'clock. That's perfect. Okay.
Choppy over there?
Yeah, man, I'm inside.
Alright.
And you sure about that? Alright. Alright. Thank you.
Make it look so.
Well, it seems as if my missing ex-husband was in some kind of shady dealings or something. And then he lost the house. My house.
Ex-husband? You're not a divorce yet.
Winston, stop interrupting me. Look here, that man better be dead, you know. Alright? Because if he ever resurfaces, he is going to be my ex-husband. He's causing me to lose my house. I don't lose anything, you know. Nothing at all.
Them say, see me and come live with me. Two different things.
Winston, you're talking gibberish again. This is serious, you know.
I think you know how serious it is, you know. You don't know who your husband is here. Man, the straightest arrow in I pack. Remember me tell you that, yeah? Most naive, you naive, make you can't see through certain things.
Winston, is there something about Carlton that I need to know? Huh?
Sandra, and everything good for eat, good for talk, yeah?
Shappy, may I lock up now, you know?
It's called a door for a reason. Where I am from, we knock especially when the door is closed.
Shappy, may I cut?
Did she just look at me in an offensive manner and slam the door? Winston, aren't you going to deal with her? You're going to let her talk to me like that? Alright, fine. I'll deal with her myself.
one, auntie.
Mountain Matic White Overproof Rum. Seriously smooth. Mountain Matic Rum Punch. Get back your punch. There is no other rum punch that can equal the pleasure. Mountain Matic Gold Rum is quality and intriguing with a distinctive flavor. Your taste buds will love the kick. Get ready to fuel your force. Satisfaction is automatic with Matic. Hit up Matic Rums on social media pages or call 876-533-4826 or 799-4895 for your Matic deals. Roll with your Matic. Roll responsibly.
Dancehall Hostel, located in Kingston. The Dancehall District, Jacksontown Community, winner of the 2018, 2019 and 2020 Bookings.com Guest Review Award. The place to stay when you're in Kingston. The home away from home. The diamond in the rough. Book your spot now.
This is your chance to advertise your business on The Bartender. For more information, call or WhatsApp us at 876-863-1077 or send us an email at theaterexpressions@gmail.com.
How you at the road so? No, I show me the too long gone. Lock up the bar so I just come and cool out. Yeah, come early, I'm going to say, where did they? Look up on the road. Oh. I want to ask you something. What do you think about me living with Trilla?
Live with Trilla? The last time you lived with a man, what happened?
I know nothing like that. This kind of different. The other day when me and him go for lunch, we did talk about shopping. And him just snap and grab me.
Grab you? What do you mean grab you?
Like grab me so girl. Oh shit.
So you don't grab him back?
I just did shock. And then when I ask him about it, a couple days down the line, he must say him no member.
Him no member grab you? That doesn't make sense.
And then that it get worse. So the night when Bubbles called me, when I left at upper feet house for go sleep. Nothing at all.
Alright, miss. What you say?
But long story short, me in the bed and I just feel the bed a shake. When I wake, he a twist and a turn and I try to wake him up and one
whoop underneath my neck. Like it was aye. It's alright. So I'm choke ya. Girl, all me I lick him. No man. You sure there's something wrong with him? That me I try find out. Oh, so him grab you and then him choke you and you a try to find out if something wrong with him? Well, let me tell you something wrong with him, yeah? You better stay far from him. Cause that sound like somebody with them upstairs righted. Something wrong, man. And I Kyle that. So you know him long enough to know say I know him that? Suppose I him this. This is the man of 5. You come to me with an argument there already, you know. But what me think. Watch out, see? Cut it off, don't answer him. Come on. Man I grab you up. Man I choke you. You behave like 4.5. This is another 5 with me, you know. This is another 5 with me, you know. In the shop area some up long time, you know. Whether or not him asleep or him awake, him could have put him on for you. You come and make excuse about him sick or your concern. Where you mad man? Answer it.
Yeah. Alright, man, come. No, sorry.
In the what? Go on. Go on to your Friday the 13th. You're true, and make him come on, so. Can next him come on, so with one star like Jason. You go on. You behave like your yam, potato, breadfruit, every one of them. Go on.
So I haven't been answering my calls from morning.
You realize what happened?
I had a nightmare. That's basically what happened. You never had a nightmare before?
A nightmare. And you're choking me.
It was a bad dream, a nightmare. I felt like somebody was grabbing me in my sleep and I just reacted. I didn't even know it was you.
Okay then. Kylie, sure you're okay?
Alright Dennis, let me tell you the truth. Ever since I was a child, I've been having nightmares. And honestly, I mean, some people dream about falling off a bridge, falling off a building. For me, ever since I was a kid, I always felt sometimes like I was being attacked in my sleep. That's why sometimes if somebody come and them try to touch you while you're sleeping, you're going to react like that. I honestly didn't know it was you. I really never knew it was you. I just had a really bad dream and I just lashed out. And for that, I'm really sorry. That's why, honestly, I have my music. Because throughout my entire life, music has been the one thing that has kind of kept me together. You know what I mean? It's made me whole. And without it, I feel empty. So it has always been something that has comforted me throughout most of my life, you know. And that's why I took it up back and started doing music now, because I get a chance to express myself and how I feel, and it relaxes me. And I mean, I can safely say this to you. Honestly, I would never hurt you. Personally, I'd rather hurt myself first or put myself in harm's way to protect you.
Why you don't talk about your music?
I don't talk about music. I do music from my soul. That's the reason I was calling you today, because I actually was in the studio earlier this evening And I wrote a song inspired by you.
By me?
Yeah. Like, yeah, by you. I mean, it's a little bit edgy still, but it's just how I was feeling, basically.
Let me hear it.
You want to hear it? Alright, cool. Tell me what you think. You two, don't feel me now. Here it goes. It's a long time now, yeah, most of them. I'm telling
your body good, your body clean. Me want to take you out of your time frame. Your body good, your body clean. From the first time I say, man, know we have to get you. Me not care if you have another man, I sweat you. Right on me dress, so when me want to set you. Girl, you have the kitty cat, so me want to pet you. If I even one time, your man nothing know what me and you are do. And if I even one wine, listen what me want you to know. Yeah, you want the jacket, so me want you ride it. Body look good, so you not be hide it. Me done much it out, so me you divide it. Don't want for me private. Say me loving and me want you try it. You want the treasure, so me have to find it. Tight like a glove, but these are the right fit. Me don't know how you like it. It's a body. Bring your body to me. Let me love you, girl. Love you, girl. Love you, girl. It's your body. It's your body. Bring that body to me. Let me love you, girl. Love you, girl. Love you, girl.
Yes, good morning. I called for a cab 10 minutes ago. Okay, he said he's here. Alright, thank you.
I see you started without me.
I ordered for you.
Thank you. So, tell me, how is civilian life treating you?
Well, it's been good. There are a few business ventures that I'm looking into.
Really? So, what about the online cosmetic thing you were doing while you were, under?
It was good, but that's not my passion.
Could it be because your passion is and always was to be an agent?
Could we not go down that road again? Remember, I love civilian life now.
Do you? Because for where I'm sitting, I'm not convinced.
What makes you think I'm not?
Angie, look at me.
Please, nobody start psychoanalyze me now. Remember, I'm not an agent anymore.
I took a look at the information you gave me regarding Mr. Wallace.
And?
And you were right.
I told you.
Oh. The problem is, Carlton Wallace seems to have disappeared without a trace.
Well, maybe he realized that you guys were onto him.
I can't see how he would.
Why not?
Because we were not investigating him. You were.
What are you trying to say, Stephen?
I'm not trying to say anything. Look, the bottom line is this. Carlton Wallace would be found, dead or alive. If he's alive, he'll stand justice. If he's dead, then whoever is responsible will face justice.
Good luck.
Has nothing to do with luck. It's good police work. Someone, somewhere is always talking. Leaving tiny little clues all over the place. It's only a matter of time. Thanks for the drink. I think you need to talk to somebody. Maybe not me, but a professional somewhere. Give her a call. She might be able to help you. Someone, somewhere is always talking.
Hello? Yeah, she. What the code? Alright, me I found. Are you not old car then? Alright, hold on.
For you in a relationship, what is the real? See what you say.
Bubbles, what we do here?
We need for talk.
Talk? Bubbles, we don't have nothing else to talk about, you know. Remember, our dealing is done.
No, I know. DB, come link you.
And how that are your business?
Young lady, I could go inside your talk.
Bubbles, my sister inside, you know.
Me need for talk to her too.
You and your friend are the last person my sister wants to see. So just come leave now.
You think this is a courtesy call? Whatever DB said to you and you said to your sister can get the whole of we in a trouble. So let me repeat myself. Come go inside and make we talk.
We don't have nothing to talk about, Miss Brownie. How will you bring her in my place for?
Calm yourself, my girl.
You know woman about calm yourself. Miss, I'm my place today, you know?
We need to talk.
Me no want chat to you. You and your friend them make me get locked up and you put my sister at risk. You come talk but you want to talk to me? But what? Now wait for you to relax yourself. Here. Come out of my place. Bubbles, just leave me now, please. I'm not gonna wait till we talk. I said come out of my place. Bubbles, just listen and go on, man. Slimmas, come out of my face. So you're not leave. Let me tell you this. Anything your sister tell you, keep it to yourself. And all are in a trouble. And she are in a trouble too. You understand? You see, you tell yourself, open your mouth. You say, God! Running water! You are delusional woman, Maxine. Nobody wanted you. You forced yourself at them. Rejection made you mad.
Carlton, you're awake. Look at me. Do you remember anything?
Remember everything.